Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix an internal or external storage device is not showing. If you're using a PC or laptop using Windows 10 or 11 or any of your Windows and you're facing the issue that in your file explorer and your this PC section you are unable to find an external storage device, or you might see that your storage device is not running, or you might say this type error. So let's see how to fix this issue. So you just have to simply go back from here, and here just go to search, and you just have to search for disk management. You have to search for disk manage, or you whether you will write disk you might set this type folder or app section here. This is create and format hard disk partitions. You just have to open this. Now once it opens, go here. Now click on this action, then click on refresh. Now once you refresh it, click on action again, then click on rescan disks. So it will rescan if there will be any another internal or external disk is not showing up here. So you might get that here. Now in this section you can see there's my disk D, and here's my disk. There's my disk 0, local disk C, and here my disk C. Now here my removable is an external storage device like USB. So if you're showing a this type interface which is unallocated, so you just have to right click on it and then click on new simple volume. Just click on this. Now you must set this type interface. Welcome to the new simple volume wizard. Click on next to continue. Now I have to set the maximum. Here's the maximum disk space. So you can set up to maximum, or you can customize it whether you want. Now once you have done, just click on this next option again, and from here just select the letter you want to assign. So let's say I'm going to set here H. Now once you have done, just click on next again. Now if you want to format this volume or your device, so you have to select this one option, or I'm going to select this one, do not format this volume. Click on next and then finish. Now once you have done, you might get this type interface that your USB device has been found. So go to file explorer again, and this time you'll be able to see your storage device. Now go to this PC, and here you will see your drive. If you're still facing this app issue again, just double click on it. Now click on format disk and then click on stop. So it will make a quick format to your disk or to your drive. Once it's done, you will be able to access your storage device like this. So in this way, you can easily fix if you are facing the issue that your storage device is not showing up here. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.